Here right side you are seeing, no? This is a Talakalale Reservoir Dam.
Talakkale Reservoir.
It built on 1976. The dam level is 250 feet deep. Whatever you are standing the boat, no? This is a 236 feet deep here. And only 14 feet you are seeing the dam only. This is a gate are there, no? Two gate emergency gates exist. Like 236 feet dam is there, like inside. Depth.
Okay.
It will mainly reservoir area it is because of power generation they use it. Here this is a water 15 kilometers the water goes here. Here 4 kilometers the water goes through the tunnel and it falls on the big search tank.
Okay.
On the search tank 5 pens pipe attached. 10 machines are there. 1035 megawatt they produce here.
Okay.
1035 means 35% the power goes to Karnataka.
Okay.
After that it goes to the valley, Sharavati valley.
Okay.
There they produce like Kersoppa they produce 240 megawatt. 4 units are there.
Okay.
There.
60 megawatts each.
Yeah, 60 megawatt each. That is a 240 megawatt
Okay, four
totally. After that it will reach us to 1 hour Arabian Sea. Mudeshwar 1 hour, no?
Okay,
Arabian Sea.
Mudeshwar.
It reaches. First that hill you are seeing, no? That side 3 kilometer. After that there you will get Linganmakki Dam.
Okay.
That is the main dam. After that the water will be stored in the rainy season.
Okay.
Whatever you want, 150.75 TMC water capacity of the dam, like that. In that 2 units are there, 2 megawatt they produce. It's built on 1964.
Mini hydel.
Yeah,
Chota.
Chota means
Okay.
that is a
2 megawatts
force,
each.
like a
Okay.
force of the water
Yes.
not there, no. So that it is a 27.5 on each unit they
Okay.
produce
Okay.
here.
Okay.
Like totally 55 megawatt they produce.
2
there.
units there.
No, like Linganmakki Dam is like this. The water is turned to one more China Gate. There China Gate to it goes to Mahatma Gandhi Hydro Plant. One more Jog Falls. Jog Falls it turned, and one more is through 2 channels. The reservoir here. This comes to here, like that. And this, whatever the Mahatma Gandhi hydro plant it goes, no, that is the first project happened here. Asia's number 2nd project. First project is Shivana Samudra.
Okay.
There are like 4 units are. While coming, you are seeing that one small lake type. And while coming, no, you are coming, no, lake type you are seeing, no, that boating was there. Private
Yes,
boating
yes,
was there.
very
That
beginning.
in that channel is there.
Okay.
In that channel end, the 4 pipes are attached. 4 pipes are divided into 8 machines. 8 machines from England only. It is planned by Vishweshwara. When in 1924 Vishweshwara came to Jog Falls, he saw the Jog Falls in his told he did not tell that what a beauty. He told that it is totally waste of energy. So that he gave a word to Nalwadi Krishna Rajodiyar. He was the king of Mysore before independence.
Okay.
So that he planned it, and he was a GB, General British Emperor. He gave some of the money, some of the gold he kept to England, and he bought the machines and a gold money. And that time the KRS dam, it's all before KRS dam it was started. Like this plan was done for this project.
Where you are
After-
getting the water from this source?
This is a rainy season.
Rainy season.
Rainy season, June, July, August, September.
Okay.
In that rainy season, we store the water in that Linganmakki Dam.
Yes.
After that, it releases
Understood.
to plants.
Excess water will come to this place.
Less excess water means that they release it water,
yes.
like this much cubic water, so that they plant that produce the water. Like your that hill is there, no? That hill you are seeing the last hill. This my hand is done. This side only the Jog Falls, the straight one Jog Falls is located. From that only we came here. This mainly reservoir area it is. Is all like the planned it. Like for power generation. Now in the future they are planning for other power generation, like wastage water goes, no. From that only they are recycling something. They want to do some projects over here. Once again they want to produce the electricity. They are making the future plans.
Road pumping.
Okay. Something whatever goes through, no, wastage of water, whatever the producing, they are reversing that
Producing the
water. They are reversing and they will make a check dam like that,
Yes, yes.
so that they can produce again.
Okay. Very good.
Like these islands are there, no? Like say 7-8 islands you can see there. These all lands we cannot go inside.
Oh, no
Like this are all islands. But in 30 islands are there in this. But 30. But like small islands like. The resorts. This all. You can see these resorts. 18 cottages are there here. Like 18 cottages. Jungle lodges in Karnataka. There are 24 जगह में jungle lodges. 24 places. Here is a Sharavati Adventure Camp, Jog Falls. It is called Sharavati Adventure. 18 cottages. In this 18 cottages, 4,750 will be there and 4,050 will be there. 12 rupees. In the package, the boating ट्रैम्पलिन, काइकिंग, पेडलिंग, स्विमिंग पूरा आता है. And one more, the fire camp will come here. There one more nature walk, and there is a vehicle over there that visiting of 3 places over here, like all in that including all
That
3 times
4,050 rupees.
4,050
per person.
per person per day.
Per day, including all and food, accommodation, food
Food accommodation and
veg and non-veg, unlimited food, like and indoor games will be there, documentary will be there, fire camp, all package it will come. Like in Bhadravati, there is also there Sharavati,
Jungle camp is
there's a river resorts is there. Like some like in Karnataka, many Kapini, Mangalore,
Okay.
Gokarna, everywhere the jungle lodges are there. Here there is a Sharavati Adventure Camp, Jog Falls.
Sharavati Adventure Camp.
Camp. We came here only day visit.
What is the name?
All 100 feet is there.
100
100 feet is there. This is a Sharavati water. Falls in Ambudita. We'll go inside now. Once again, we'll go inside. We'll go to near to that dam. There I'll explain.
This water is for
Only hydro plant. Yeah, power generation. This is mainly used for power
What's the
generation.
name?
This island is used for
Power station. This is a Tadakalale dam. That is a AB site. The site, the project name is AB site. AB site.
1035 megawatts power station है ना?
हाँ, वो.
उसका नाम क्या है?
उसका नाम है AB site.
AB site, okay.
कितना गहरा है ये?
100 feet.
100 feet.
वहाँ पे जाते समय आपको 150, 200, 250 ऐसा.
इसके roots हैं इसके ना? इसके roots हैं ना ये पेड़ों के? भैया किसी आइलैंड के बीच में से लेके चलो ना भैया, किसी आइलैंड के बीच में से लेके चलो ना, किसी आइलैंड के बीच में से लेके चलो ना.
ऐसा वहाँ पे जाते हैं.
श्रिंक वाटर है जहाँ.